Hey beauties, good morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are. My name is Winifred, and welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, we're going to be making this beautiful short cowl kimono dress. If this is what you would like to learn, stay tuned and keep on watching. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. So this is the red fabric that I want to use for the front, and I also have my pattern master with me and my scissors. I have folded my fabric into 4 because it's a cut together sleeve, and then I marked out my hip divided by 4 plus 6 inches. This fabric was really small. You can add more if you have enough fabric, so the width is dependent on you. Okay, you can do more or do less, but don't do lesser than what is in this video because your cowl is not going to show. So the next thing I did was I marked out the length, and then I marked out the sleeve measurement where I wanted my sleeve to start, and then I marked out my 3 inches shoulder, my 3 inches neck width, and then I made a slope of 2.5 inches, and then I connect the line. From that 2.9 inches, I'm going to create an opening for where my sleeve is going to come out from, but because this is an elastic opening, so I made it really wide, so I just came down by 12 inches, and then I went in from that point by 2.5 inches. Now what I did was that I marked where I wanted the cowl to stop, so I further went in by 5 inches, and then I'm going to connect that into a curve like you can see me do, and on that line I'm going to measure my hip divided by 4 plus 3 inches, and then I'm going to connect my curve to that before extending the line to the down part. This fabric was really small. I would advise that you have more fabric for this so that the cowl can form very well. So now I'm just cutting it up. If you have gotten to this point and you are not yet subscribed, kindly click the subscribe button please. Like my videos, share my videos with your family and friends. Do well to turn on the post notification so that you get notified each time I upload a new tutorial. Thank you. So now once I was done cutting, I'm just trying to open up the sleeve opening. The next thing to do is to work on the neckline. I already did a neck width of 3 inches, but I want to extend it a bit to 3.5, and the neck depth of 1 inch. That is for the back neckline. After cutting the back neckline, I'm going to remove the back and then work on the front. So now the front has an opening, so you're going to determine where you want your neckline to stop. After that, you're going to remove 1.5 inches all the way down. So I wanted my neck to stop at 8 inches, and now I'm going to connect that to my neck width measurement. Then from there I measured 1.5 inches all the way down to form my opening, and then I'm going to connect that back with my red fabric. So after measuring the 1.5, I'm just cutting it out because the front part is going to be open while cutting, but after sewing, when you have joined it with the red fabric, it is going to be closed. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. So now once we are done doing this, the next thing to do is to join the front with the back, right side facing right side, and I joined the shoulder. And then after joining the shoulder, I left the sleeve opening, and then I went ahead to join the sides with half inch. Just to watch the way my hand is moving, then you will know where to sew when you are doing yours. And I joined the side with half inch. I did that on the other side, and then I placed notches all the way around, because you don't want your fabric to be folding inside. You want it to lie down flat when you turn it inside out. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is that I'm taking the measurement of the opening in front from my back, from one side of my front up to the back to the other side of the front, and then I'm going to be cutting a long piece that will fit into that of about 3 inches wide. So by the time I fold it into two, to give me 1.5 inches. So this was the final look. Thank you guys for watching.